White heavy check mark 1. What is a PIN? A PIN is a secret numeric code, usually 4 to 6 digits, used to verify your identity when using electronic devices or financial services. It is like a password made of numbers. Mobile phone 2. Where is a PIN used? Use case example. Credit card ATM to withdraw money. Mobile phone SIM card to unlock your phone or protect your SIM. Bank mobile money to send money, like MTN Momo Airtel Money. Money bag bank cards when making payments or checking your account. Mobile phone with arrow mobile apps for security. Banking wallets. 3. Why is a PIN important? White heavy check mark, it protects your money and data. White heavy check mark, it confirms your identity. White heavy check mark, it prevents fraud or unauthorized access. Warning 4. How to keep your PIN safe. Never share your PIN with anyone. Crossmark. Don't use easy numbers like 1234 or your birthday. Crossmark. Don't write it down where people can find it. Crossmark. Change it regularly if you suspect it was seen. White heavy check mark. Use different PINs for different services. White heavy check mark. 5. Strong PIN example. Bad PIN. 0000 1234 1990. Good PIN. 4962 7381 5219.